Actually, I'm just summarizing all of the similar questions coming from the media. Tinatanong po ng ating mga kababayan sa media kung kaya po ba talaga ng mga istruktura ng DOH hospitals ang isang 7.2 magnitude na lindol. I think this is a question for an engineer, but per the assessment of our DOH hospitals po, considering the age of the buildings and also the assessment done every year, kaya po ba nito ang 7.2?
Ako, yes, kasi we did the Safe Hospital Project. That, di ba, naggawa na tayo ng structural engineering assessment together with ASEP, our Association for Structural Engineers of the Philippines. We did this after the Big One plan in 2000 something. Di ba? So, I will tell you, for all the na-check niya, they are actually, kasi yung mga na-check na may problem, pinagawan ng retrofitting. There were retrofitting instructions that were done to make our hospitals resilient. Sa Safe Hospital, kailangan kasi mas resilient ang isang hospital building compared to ordinary stores or other structures because we need to keep saving lives. So mas mataas yung requirement dito. Maybe we can ask some of the directors kung sigurado ba kayong makaka-resist ng 7.2 ang hospital nyo?
Probably let's...
Yung mga bagong building ang sagot nila. So yung mga bagong building, we've already built to up to 7.2 ba ang structural integrity requirement?
Sa building code, minimum 7.2 magnitude impact dapat absorb ng structure. So far, yung bagong building, yes. But we have 4 other buildings. But when they did the hospital index tool assessment,
Yeah, yung sa Safe Hospital.
pasado naman, Sec. So, more or less, yes, we can say safe naman po yung mga facilities namin.
So anyway, what happens really is when there is an earthquake, i-evacuate pa rin namin yung hospitals. And then kung may cracks dyan, we will do what's called the structural assessment. So so the first step before you move your patients back in is to do a structural assessment with the help of civil engineers. So quick and dirty study lang to until we get the structural engineers' actual assessment. So kung may doubt, we actually decide to keep the patients in the tents or in the other facility.
Sec, may follow